Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, the ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a car that redefines elegance and performance via the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. From jaw-dropping aesthetics to exhilarating performance, this machine promises to be a standout in 2025. So buckle up and let's take an in-depth journey into what makes this British beauty a masterpiece. Exterior. The moment you lay your eyes on the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, it's clear this car is built to turn heads. The front fascia is as aggressive as it is elegant. Aston Martin's signature grille dominates the scene, but for 2025, it's slightly reimagined to provide a more modern touch. The elongated, shark-like nose gives the Vantage an unmistakable presence. Flanking the grille are sleek, ultra-thin LED headlights that seamlessly blend style with cutting-edge technology. The air intakes have been redesigned for optimized aerodynamics, which not only enhances performance but also adds to its bold character. Every crease and contour serves a purpose, channeling airflow for efficiency and stability, making it as functional as it is beautiful. As you move to the side profile, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage exudes a sense of purpose and power. The muscular haunches give it a stance that's both poised and aggressive. The flowing lines from the hood to the rear create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Aston Martin has refined the side vents, integrating them more seamlessly into the design while maintaining their functionality. The 21-inch alloy wheels are a piece of art on their own, with the multi-spoke design that balances luxury and sportiness perfectly. The low-slung roofline not only contributes to its aerodynamic efficiency but also enhances its visual drama. The frameless windows add a touch of sophistication, emphasizing the minimalist approach to luxury. At the rear, the Vantage showcases its most dramatic evolution. The full-width LED taillight strip is sharper and more pronounced, giving the car a futuristic look, especially when illuminated at night. The sculpted rear diffuser has been redesigned for better airflow management and increased downforce, crucial for a car of this caliber. The dual exhaust tips, now finished in a darker chrome, emit the sound that's pure automotive symphony. Above it all, the subtle integrated spoiler not only adds to the car's aesthetic appeal but also enhances its aerodynamic prowess. It's a rear end that screams performance while maintaining an aura of elegance. Interior. Step inside the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, and you're greeted by a cabin that's as luxurious as it is driver-focused. Aston Martin has upped the ante with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum accents. The cockpit layout puts everything within easy reach of the driver, emphasizing its sporty character. The digital instrument cluster is sharper and more intuitive, providing all the information you need at a glance. The center console houses a new touchscreen infotainment system with improved graphics and responsiveness. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of connectivity options come standard, ensuring you're always connected. The seats are a masterpiece of comfort and support, with bolstering that's perfect for spirited driving or long road trips. Ambient lighting with customizable colors allows you to set the mood, whether it's an adrenaline-fueled night drive or relaxed evening cruise. The attention to detail is impeccable, with every button and knob feeling substantial and well-crafted. Performance under the hood. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage doesn't disappoint. Powering this beast is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, developed in collaboration with Mercedes-AMG. This engine delivers a staggering 528 horsepower and 505 pounds-to-feet of torque, an upgrade from the previous model year. The Vantage rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Thanks to its lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but Aston Martin now offers an optional all-wheel drive system for those who want extra grip in all conditions. The handling is razor-sharp, with improved steering feedback and a suspension system that's been fine-tuned for both comfort and performance. Adaptive dampers allow the car to transition seamlessly between a comfortable Grand Tourer and a track-ready monster. The exhaust note is pure music, with a deep growl in the lower revs and a spine-tingling scream as you push it to the red line. Fuel efficiency has also seen marginal improvements, with an estimated 23 miles per gallon combined, thanks to better engine tuning and lightweight materials. While it's not the most economical car on the market, it's a fair trade-off for the performance and thrill it offers. Pricing for the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage starts at $145,000, but with optional packages and bespoke customization options, that number can easily climb to over $180,000. For those looking to make their Vantage truly unique, Aston Martin's Q division offers nearly limitless possibilities, from custom paint jobs to exclusive interior finishes. It's a car that caters to those who demand the best and are willing to pay for it. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is more than just a car, it's an experience. It captures the essence of what a modern sports car should be: powerful, elegant, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, cruising along the coast, or simply admiring it in your driveway, the Vantage delivers on every front. Aston Martin has managed to strike a perfect balance between tradition and innovation, making the 2025 Vantage a worthy contender in the world of high-performance luxury sports cars. Thanks for watching Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Vantage and what car you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.